Finally, I found something that anyone can do and earn big money online in less than 1 hour of work. This site I recently came across can get you paid even if you're a complete newbie who's never made a dime online. Stay tuned and keep watching so you find out how. Now, just before we start, let me remind you that if you like this type of content and you'd like to see more, then support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below. And so you don't miss out on any future videos to come, then click on that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications and you'll get notified whenever I upload a new video. With all of that said, let's now jump straight into the tutorial so I can show you everything. Okay, so today guys, we will be using this website here called junglescout.com in order to get paid. Now for those of you who've never heard about this site, Jungle Scout is essentially a tool for Amazon sellers. Basically, various people that are selling stuff on Amazon use Jungle Scout in order to grow their business and get more sales for a tiny investment onto this platform. Now, we will not be selling on Amazon and then using Jungle Scout here to increase our sales. Let me make that clear right away. We are instead focusing on Jungle Scout because it has one particular feature that is simply incredible, and I will show you that in a second. With that said, you can read more about this site and check out all of the features it offers Amazon sellers, but I will skip that part so I don't prolong this video. What you need to do when you come on this website is scroll down until you reach the very bottom of the page, and then you want to click on Affiliate Program, which will be located right over here. So yes, we want to promote this as an affiliate. And remember how I said this site has an awesome feature? Well, it has incredible commissions. This site is arguably one of the best paying websites to affiliates. Check out what it says here. You get paid 100% commissions. These are the highest commissions I've ever seen myself on any website out there. What this means is that when you refer someone to this platform and they pay Jungle Scout, you will literally receive 100% of that money. So literally none of it is going to Jungle Scout, which is just insane and incredibly rare to find. If you go over to Google, you will see that the average commissions are just 30%, but this website out here offers you 100%. I cannot overstate just how incredible that is. And thanks to that, as you can see here, you can literally earn up to $150 per single person you refer to this website. So you need 10 people to earn $1,500 just like that. 100 people is already $15,000, which is of course a huge amount of money. Now with that said, it's not just the commissions per se that make this website the best platform out there to promote as an affiliate. It's also the fact that the potential customers will all have big budgets and will want to keep using Jungle Scout for a long period of time. Remember, this helps Amazon sellers, and they are all earning thousands upon thousands of dollars selling on Amazon, so they will have more than enough money to pay Jungle Scout here. And more importantly, since this site helps them grow their business and increase sales, paying this website is profitable for them, which of course creates an incentive for them to use it for a much longer period of time, and thus makes you more money for a much longer period of time as well. Anyhow, with that said, what you need to do on here is sign up as an affiliate. To do so, you want to click on Get Started, and once you do, it is now time for me to show you exactly where and how we will be getting traffic. And we will be using several different platforms for that, so make sure you keep watching. The first of those platforms is a site called freeplrdownloads.com. PLR stands for Product Label Rights, and what this basically is a site where you can download and use ebooks for completely free and without a copyright license, so you can change them and sell them as your own. You can claim you are the author of the ebooks in question, and so on. Now, as the site we are promoting is for Amazon sellers, you want to type in Amazon right here in the search bar, or you can just click on the Amazon niche located just below. Either way, what you now want to do is download one of these two ebooks. There are only 2 ebooks as of now, by the way, but it's quite likely we can expect a few more to come sometime in the future. Anyhow, to download the ebook, what you want to do is open it up and then scroll down until you come across the download button right here, on which you will click on to download the ebook to your PC. Once you download the ebook, it will be in a zip file, which, when you extract it, you will see it contains not only the PDF ebook file, but stuff like the e-cover and a few other things. But it's this ebook file that we are particularly interested in, not the other stuff. Anyhow, what you now need to do is convert this PDF file into a docx file so you can actually open it with Microsoft Word and be able to edit it. And to do just that, we will use a site here called docfly.com. To convert that PDF file to a docx or Word file, you need to scroll down a bit until you come across this section here. Then you want to click on Convert PDF to Word. You will then click on this button to open up that PDF file of yours. Once you do, you will be brought to this page where you will be able to see your now converted docx file. To download it to your PC, just click on these three dots and on the download button right here. Once you have that PDF file converted to the docx file, you will want to open it up with Microsoft Word, as I've done so myself, and we will now want to edit it. Now, as you can see, the ebook I downloaded contains tips and tricks to help Amazon sellers get more sales. And you will want to add in something between the lines like I did here. You can write in perhaps like, get 50% more sales with this platform, get more sales with this site, increase your revenue with this site, and so on and so forth. The point is that you want to write something like that and then add in your affiliate link next to that. And what you can now do is give this ebook out for free to people who are Amazon sellers. And when they open it up, they will be able to see all of these tips and also strategies to get more sales. And they will also be able to see and click on your affiliate link. And trust me, when someone sees get more sales with this website, they will be tempted to click on that link at the very least. Since, as I said, Amazon sellers have big budgets and they will of course be interested in getting more sales, growing their business, and thus making more money for themselves. In any case, since you now have that ebook, it's time for me to show you where to get traffic, and I have two methods for you. The first one is through the use of social media, or Facebook groups in particular. You will want to search for various Amazon seller groups on Facebook, as I have myself. And you will now want to join all of these that you can find. And here's the best part about this, guys. These groups have thousands upon thousands of members. This group here has 40,000 members alone, for example. And remember, you just need like 15 sales to earn a few $1,000s just like that. So even if a tiny minority pays Jungle Scout, you will still be able to earn a lot of money. In any case, what you will basically do is you want to give the ebook out to people. You can tell them stuff like, this helped me increase my sales. This was a big help for me when I started out. Stuff like that. And what you can do is leave that in a post saying that, or you can also contact the individual members of the group as well. However you choose to do it, it's nearly guaranteed you'll get a few clicks on that affiliate link of yours, and when someone makes a purchase, you will get paid very nicely. Now, the second method I have for you guys involves this tool right here, the link of which I left in the description box below. And while this is a paid software, it's far easier and far more effective at getting traffic for you than Facebook or any other traffic source is. Furthermore, it costs less than $20, and if that's not enough, it offers a 180-day money-back guarantee, and they will pay you $75 in compensation if this doesn't work out for you. And these features, I think, more than make up for the fact that it's a paid software, since you can gain a lot from trying this out, but you can't lose anything at all. As you can see up here, it's a 100% done-for-you system. It's perfect for new and experienced marketers alike, and no tech skills, experience, or email list is required for this either. Arguably, the best part about this is that it works for any affiliate offer out there, not just Jungle Scout per se. So even though you do have to invest a tiny bit of money into this, it can pay off big time. So if you happen to have some money in your wallet, I highly recommend at least giving this a try. If not, then you can still use Facebook here to get traffic, which in the end will also make you quite a bit of money. Anyways, this is it for today's video, guys. As always, if you liked it and you're enjoying my content, then be sure to give this video a thumbs up below to support my channel. And in case you don't want to miss out on any future videos just like this one, then click on that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications, and you'll be notified whenever a new video pops up. As always, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you soon.